Alrighty, good morning ladies and gentlemen. Today is a brand new day. We're going to go ahead and get started here. First off, I do want to apologize that we did not get to take our field trip this year. Environmental science just so happens to be that all the fun stuff gets jam-packed into the last month or so, and that's the part of the year that we're missing. So on the field trip, one of the things that we were going to do was fishing and pond management, and we're going to be learning about that. So for this week, I have a real short lesson for you, and that is on how to tie knots for fishing. So I'm going to do a couple of examples of some knots that I like to use, and then your lesson for this week is going to be to learn two different types of fishing knots. Any type of fishing knots that you prefer. Two of them. Okay, should be fairly simple. You can YouTube it. So, speaking of YouTube, I'll probably upload this to my YouTube channel, and I'll go ahead and forward it out to you guys so you can watch it. Sorry about that. All right, so we're going to be using this here as an example. So the first knot that I like to use, this is my go-to knot. It's a modified uni knot. I double it over. So what I got here, I got a 40-pound test monofilament and a ginormous treble hook. Uses for this would probably be snagging for spoonbill. And that's really about it. But anywho, we got 40-pound test monofilament here. I got bright yellow, so hopefully you could see it all right in the video. Wearing a dark colored shirt, so hopefully that'll contrast real nice. So the first thing I do is I double it over like so and stick it through to where we got it like that. If the eyelet is too small, what you could do to get it to go through, you take your tag end, the end here, stick it through and grab it and stick it back through the other way, and there you go. Okay, so I'm going to take a good amount here. I'm going to pinch it at both ends. I'm going to pinch it again here in the middle. Okay, I'm going to take this loop end. I'm going to take it. I'm going to make a D shape there, like you can kind of see. I'm going to go around these two right here. I'm going to go around and through here 3 times. So I'll show you here. So we got one through it, 2, and 3. Okay. And you're going to take that loop, pull it straight up, and then you'd wet the line, and you're going to pull this tag end in the main line, and that's going to cinch right down on top of that hook, like so. Pull on both the tag end, main line, and this is going to give you 3 tag ends to cut. Cut the loop, like so, and you cut the tag end right there. And that is the first knot that I like to use. I use this the majority of the time. Next knot I'll show you is the, I believe it's called the Palomar knot. Really common, it's used a lot. So it starts off the same exact way. You double up your line, okay? Like so. Stick it through. And then you're going to tie an overhand knot in your line. So I'm going to take it like this, tie an overhand knot, just go through and around like so. Okay. And then you go around your hook or your bait, whatever you're using, and then you pull it tight. That's another knot. Okay. And then you just cut off the tag end like so. There you go. Okay. The last knot that I'm going to show you guys is called the improved clinch knot. Okay, this is probably one of the most common knots used by fishermen. And you start it by just putting the line through the eyelet there. Take about yay much line, pinch it at the top, and then you twist it. Twist it about 5 to 7 times. You see how it's kind of twisting there? And then you've got this little hole at the bottom. You're going to take the tag end, stick it through the bottom hole. Okay? And that's the normal clinch knot if you just pull it tight there. The improved clinch knot is when you take it, you know, from that bottom area there, and then you put it back through there, and then you pull it tight. And you kind of push the knot down. And that is the improved clinch knot. Okay. So you could either watch this video and learn 2 out of the 3 knots that I showed you, or you could go on YouTube and learn a couple of there. All right. Thank you very much.